The electric motorcycle scene is buzzing with new models, rumored hardware, and rapid changes in the marketplace. As the dust settles, we see established EV brands getting even more established, while legacy brands are entering the EV game with their first-gen tech. This category is hotter and more relevant than ever. Don't agree? Hit up the comments section and let's chat. Every year brings new contenders, so let's check out this year's top picks. Here's our list of the best electric motorcycles for sale in 2024. Roll the tape. First up, the Zero SRF. This beast has received stellar reviews, highlighting its strengths and a few minor weaknesses. With phenomenal power and torque, it's one of the best full-size electric sport bikes out there. Zero Motorcycles has been a pioneer since 2006, offering reliable bikes with proprietary batteries and motors. The SRF is powered by the Z-Force 7510 air-cooled motor and a 15.2 kWh battery, 17.3 kW max capacity, delivering 110 HP and 140 lb-ft of torque. You get 5 ride modes, and you can customize one with the Zero app. The simplicity of no shifting is addictive. The claimed range is 176 miles of city riding, but expect less if you push it hard. This bike is all about maximum fun until you need to recharge. We adore the beauty of nature. Power and torque, 110 HP and 140 some lb-ft of torque make it a blast to ride. Customization, 5 ride modes, including a customizable one via the Zero app. Proven track record, Zero has been pioneering electric motorcycles since 2006. We need to think about our budget before making a decision. Range, while 176 miles in the city is great, heavy riding will reduce that range. Price, at $20,495, it's an investment, but worth it for the performance. Next, we have the Varg. Dirt and electric bikes are a perfect match. The Varg is virtually maintenance-free, lightweight, and boasts power beyond anything in the 450cc class. The Alpha package offers 80 HP, while the Standard has 60 HP. A claimed 6 hours of riding might not hold up to super aggressive use, but a half-hour recharge keeps you going. Novice trail riders can look like pros, and expert riders can easily maneuver. With 14.8 inches of ground clearance and a seat height of 37.3 inches, it's comparable to any 450cc class bike. Weighing 260 pounds with excellent KYB suspension, it's a standout. This bike rips, offering all the power you need with minimal noise. Our passion lies in exploring new places. Power options. Choose between 80 HP or 60 HP, depending on your riding style. Ground clearance, 14.8 inches, perfect for tackling tough trails. Quick recharge. A half-hour charge gives you plenty of time to ride. It's important to consider the weather when planning an outdoor event. Range. Claimed 6 hours of riding may vary with aggressive riding. Weight. At 260 pounds, it's comparable to traditional bikes, but still lightweight for an electric dirt bike. Italy's Energica Experia is up next. This touring motorcycle offers a proper range and high build quality. It has a claimed range of 130 highway and 261 city miles, making it perfect for long trips. With a 22.5 kW max battery and a new P-Mason RM motor, it's lighter and more efficient. At £573, it's hefty, but the 17-inch front wheel provides light and responsive handling. With 112 litres of storage in optional panniers and a top case, it's ready for long journeys. Energica's longevity in the EV market means you're getting a reliable bike. We enjoy spending time with family and friends. Long range, 130 miles on the highway and 261 in the city. Storage, 112 litres of storage makes it perfect for touring. Build quality, high build quality and great ergonomics. We should take everyone's opinions into account. Weight, at £573, it's on the heavier side. Charging, finding DC level 3 chargers on the road can be a challenge, but it charges quickly when you do. Introducing the new LiveWire S2 Mulholland, announced on March 20th and already in dealerships. Building on the 2023 Del Mar, it features a more cruiser-centric design, the riser-mounted handlebar, and taller tank profile channel a classic HD silhouette. The S2 platform shares the Del Mar's 10.5 kWh battery, giving it a highway range of 73 miles and 121 in the city. It goes from 0 to 60 mph in 3.3 seconds with 84 HP and 194 lb-ft of torque. The MSRP is $59,999 and it's available right now. We love trying out new cuisines. Cruiser design combines modern EV tech with classic Harley-Davidson styling. Performance, 0-60 mph in 3.3 seconds with 84 HP and 194 lb-ft of torque. Availability, available right now with no deposit needed. We must consider the potential risks involved. Range, 73 miles on the highway, means it's best suited for city cruising. Price, at $15,999, it's a premium cruiser with a premium price. Lastly, we have the BMW BMW CE02. Perfect for urban commuters, this smart scooter offers great range and nimbleness for city traffic. With 14-inch wheels and a weight of 267 pounds, it's agile and fun. The air-cooled excited synchronous motor provides up to 15 HP, and the two 48V batteries offer a range of 56 miles. It reaches 30mm peak in 3 seconds, with a top speed of 59 mph. The MSRP is $7,599 or $8,474 with the Highline package for quick charging and other upgrades. We find joy in reading and learning new things. Urban mobility, perfect for navigating city traffic with ease. Fun design, a unique and fun design that stands out. Quick charging, the Highline package offers quick charging for convenience. It's crucial to evaluate the time required for each task. Range, 56 miles is ideal for city commuting but not for long trips. Price, it's pricier than some scooters, but you're paying for BMW quality and innovation. That's our list of the best electric motorcycles of 2024. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Ride safe and see you next time.